Congratulations to Daniel Blair. In our last school year, 2019-2020, grade 9 student Daniel won the following awards in semester 1. Subject Proficiency Awards for Academic Science, Intro to Computers, and Tech Design and the Environment. As well, he won an honors certificate. In semester 2, Daniel won the Subject Proficiency Award for grade 9 Academic English, as well as an honors certificate. Daniel also earns a school year-long honors certificate. On top of all of that, Daniel has earned the silver medal for having the second highest average of all the grade 9 class. Congratulations, Daniel.
Ashley Blanchard has earned the 2019-2020 school year semester 1 honors certificate, as well as a school year-long honors certificate. Well done, Ashley, and congratulations.
Our next student is Shelby Buzzell. In Shelby's grade 9 year in 2019 and 2020, she earned an honors certificate in semester 1. Congratulations, Shelby.
Congratulations to Lucas Cavalier, who won the Subject Proficiency Award for grade 9 Applied French last year in semester 2. Très bien, Lucas.
Congratulations to Grayson Coleman. Last year in semester 2, he won the Subject Proficiency Award for grade 9 Applied Core French, as well as an honors certificate. Congratulations, Grayson.
Congratulations to Cheyenne Crawford for winning the 2019-2020 grade 9 Science Subject Proficiency Award.
For the 2019-2020 school year, Rachel has won the honors certificate for semester 1, as well as the school year-long honors certificate. Congratulations, Rachel.
Congratulations to our next student, Andrew DeYoung. Andrew attained an honors certificate for both semesters in his grade 9 year, as well as subject proficiency awards in both academic French and healthy active living. Andrew is also a recipient of the Bronze Medal, which is presented to the top 3 students in each grade who received 80% or above for the school year. Congratulations, Andrew.
I'm happy to present Emma Elliott. In Emma's grade 9 year in 2019 and 2020, she earned an honors certificate in each semester. Emma finished her grade 9 year with a school year-long honors certificate. Congratulations, Emma.
Next is Chloe Haggart. For semester 1, she's receiving an honors certificate, and for semester 2, she's also receiving an honors certificate, and she has a school year-long honors certificate. Congratulations, Chloe.
Congratulations, Jenna Giffin. Jenna received an honors certificate in her first semester of grade 9. She also won subject proficiency awards in applied level English as well as geography. Congratulations, Jenna.
Josie Giffin received an honors certificate for her first semester courses last year. This means she had an average of 80% or higher in all of those courses. Congratulations, Josie.
Next is Riley Irvine. For semester 2, he's winning a Subject Proficiency Award for grade 9 Principles of Math at the academic level, and he's also winning an honors certificate. In addition, he has a school year-long honors certificate. Congratulations, Riley.
Next up is Emma Jenkinson. Last year in semester 1, Emma Jenkinson received an honors certificate. Congratulations, Emma.
And congratulations to Ethan Kingsbury, who won the honors certificate in semester 2 of last year, the 2019-20 school year. Awesome work, Ethan.
Congratulations to Charlotte Morrison. We're missing Charlotte this year as she is part of the virtual school, but last year in grade 9 during semester 1, Charlotte won the Subject Proficiency Award for Technological Design and Environment, as well as an honors certificate. And in semester 2, Charlotte won the Subject Proficiency Award for Expressing Aboriginal Culture and another honors certificate. Charlotte was also the recipient of a school year-long honors certificate. Congratulations, Charlotte, and we sure hope to see you soon.
Alex Nathan received the Subject Proficiency Award for the highest mark in Grade 9 Applied Science. This was for Semester 2 of last year. Congratulations, Alex!
For the 2019-2020 school year, Brooklan Simpson has earned an honor certificate in both semesters and therefore a school year-long honor certificate. Brooklan also shared top mark in PPL 1.0 Healthy Active Living Education, where she showcased her athletic talent and her academic ability in the health units. Way to go, Brooklan.
Sydney Swann has outdone herself in the 2019-2020 academic school year. Sydney is the recipient of the Academic Grade 9 Science Award, the Academic Grade 9 Canadian Geography Award, the Grade 10 First Nations, Métis and Inuit Peoples in Canada Award, the Introduction to Computer Sciences, and she has also received an honor certificate in Semester 1. In Semester 2, Sydney has also earned the Extended French Academic Award, the Grade 10 Visual Arts Award, the Grade 9 Academic Math Award, as well as an honor certificate. Sydney has also earned the year-long honor certificate as well as becoming a gold medal winner. Well done, Sydney. Congratulations on a very productive Grade 9 year.
Congratulations to Rosie Taylor for winning the 2019-2020 Subject Proficiency Award in Music.
This is Caitlin Veely, and she has earned an honor certificate in both Semester 1 and 2, and therefore a year-long honor certificate for the 2019-2020 school year. Well done, Caitlin.
Ava Verberg has obtained in the 2019-2020 school year a Subject Proficiency Award in Grade 9 Academic Geography, along with her honor certificate in Semester 1. She also received the Grade 9 Core French Academic Award, along with an honor certificate as well in Semester 2. She also received the School Year-Long Honor Certificate. Well done, Ava, and congratulations on those well-earned academic achievements.
Next up is Emma Watt-Runge. Last year in Semester 1, Emma achieved proficiency awards in Applied Science and Exploring Technologies, as well as receiving an honor certificate for the first semester. In Semester 2, she received proficiency awards for Applied English, Applied Foundations of Mathematics, and an honor certificate for Semester 2 as well. Emma also received a school year-long honor certificate. Congratulations, Emma.
Congratulations to Kaylee Wells. Kaylee achieved her year-long honor certificate for her Grade 9 year. She also received Subject Proficiency Awards in Grade 9 Academic Math and Construction Technology. Way to go, Kaylee.